Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to dive into a company that's firing on all cylinders, a company poised for explosive growth in 2024 and beyond. I'm talking about Sansera Engineering Limited, a name you need to know if you're serious about making money in this market. Sansera isn't some fly-by-night operation. They're a global leader in precision engineering. They're the brains and brawn behind critical components used in passenger vehicles, two-wheelers, and even aerospace and defense. Think high-performance connecting rods, crankshafts, gears, and more. These are the unsung heroes of the automotive world, and Sansera is the champion manufacturer. But here's the kicker. Sansera isn't just riding the coattails of the automotive industry. They're actively shaping its future. They're on the front lines of electric vehicle component manufacturing, a sector set to explode in the coming years. And that, my friends, is where things get really exciting. Let's break down what Sansera does, because understanding their core business is key to grasping their incredible potential. They specialize in precision forging and machining, processes that require incredible expertise and cutting-edge technology. They take raw materials like steel and aluminum and transform them into highly complex components that are essential for engines, transmissions, and other critical systems. But Sansera isn't just about metal. They've strategically diversified into non-automotive sectors like aerospace and defense. This means they're not overly reliant on any single market, which adds another layer of stability and growth potential to their profile. Think about it. As the demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, electric vehicles, and even aerospace innovation continues to skyrocket, who do you think will be there to supply the high-quality, precision-engineered components needed to make it all happen? You got it. Sansera Engineering. Now let's talk numbers, because that's where the rubber meets the road, right? Sansera's financial performance has been nothing short of stellar. From 2021 to 2024, their revenue has consistently grown at a double-digit pace, outperforming industry averages by a significant margin. And it's not just top-line growth. Their profitability has been expanding as well, showing that they're not just growing for the sake of growth. They're growing smartly and profitably. What's driving these impressive results? A combination of factors, including their strong relationships with leading automotive OEMs, their strategic expansion into new markets, and their relentless focus on operational efficiency. They're not resting on their laurels either. Sansera is investing heavily in expanding their production capacity, developing new technologies, and strengthening their global footprint. This tells me they're playing the long game, folks. And that's the kind of company I want to be invested in. Now, I always say, don't just take my word for it. Let's see what the analysts are saying about Sansera's future prospects. And guess what? They're bullish. The consensus among leading analysts is that Sansera's stock price is poised for significant growth over the next few years. We're talking price targets that represent substantial upside from current levels. And it's not just blind optimism, folks. Analysts are basing their projections on concrete factors like Sansera's strong earnings, growth potential, their expanding market share, and their strategic positioning in high-growth sectors like electric vehicles and aerospace. When you see this level of alignment between a company's fundamentals and the analyst's outlook, it's a very positive sign. It tells me that the smart money is betting on Sansera, and I like to follow the smart money.